triceps extension using our strap. Now my door anchor is right literally on the top of my door. It's not in the side. I'm going to come back. My feet are shoulder width. I'm going to come as close as I need to for my tension. My knees are slightly bent. Hips are forward, eyes and chest forward. Pull down and bring it right back up. Now precision point, your elbows are right by your side, your knees are soft. This is what I don't want. I don't want your butt sticking out while you're doing it. Proper form. Come on, I taught you better than that. And release. You have the option to do them with a different grip. See how I just turned my handle here? So my thumbs are facing up. And you can do them that way as well. Pick which grip is going to work best for you. I personally like the thumbs up. Triceps extension using the band.